I found this property one day that wasn't for sale, and I asked the owner if I could buy it from him, and he agreed. People thought I was building a baseball field, but I called the surveyors in to get my house staked out, got the footing guys out, and we got this footing dug out. We got it poured with concrete. I got the blocks out there, and the block masons knocked it out very quickly. This looked really good, so I was excited for 84 Lumber to drop off everything and get this floor system knocked out. The framing got done extremely fast, and I was extremely happy with the progress of everything going on. The roof started getting knocked out, so I was able to get the shingles on and get this house covered up. That is a very important part of this entire process. I got the house Tyvek, got it complete, did those block columns in the front, and got those beams done for my front gable. This all got done, and then the plumbers came out, the HVAC guys came out, and the electricians came out to get all my rough ends done. I had to go to Atlanta, get some doors, get this garage prepped, and then we had to keep going. My dad helped me, got these doors done, and guess what? This is my house so far.
Imagine starting a clothing brand in high school and everyone telling you it's going to fail. Just keep believing in myself and working hard to make it big someday. Link in the bio to support. Like and follow the journey. Randall really loves them. She isn't feeling well, so I made her this one. It's a really big one. I'll give it to her tomorrow. Come back to see if she likes it.
Show me something that you spent way too much money on, but don't regret it at all because it's freaking sick.
Things in my parents' newly renovated home that just makes sense. Cove behind TV to hide plugs, cords, and cable box. Vacuum hose built into the wall. Fridge hidden in cabinetry. Built-in trash cans. Oven racks that slide out on wheels. Garbage disposal button on counter. This arched pocket door. Touchscreen remote-controlled fireplace. Hidden outlets in cabinets and drawers. Built-in vacuum in the bathroom.
Doing our glitter epoxy floors part 1.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, so we're about 20 minutes in, and this is where we're at so far. It's smaller than my hand, and we still got all these, so.
Alright guys, a little update. This is an hour in. That's it. It's as big as my hand.
Alright guys, we are now 2 hours into the rubber band ball. It is looking pretty good. You guys have been working on this for so long, it's actually dark now.
I can't believe I just spent 4 hours making this rubber band ball in a part 2.